Kavan, your K20CS307. This video we are going to see about the aggregate and built-in functions. And this aim to execute all queries in the aggregate and the built-in functions to get the desired output. In this we are going to use that average, count, minimum, maximum, and sum values. And some of the building functions in SQLs are months between and concatenation, uppercase, substring, length, etc. This first we want to create an table, account number, customer name, branch name, amount, date, and this after that we want to enter the data. Like that, similarly want to create an branch table, bname, city. This also we want to give the data and customer name similar to the branch table, and the borrow table similar to all the tables. It will be creating a data and insert into the values in the customer id, customer name, branch name, loan amount. This first question is to list the total loan amount taken by the borrowers. In this total loan amount means, in this total amount we want to sum all the loan amount from the borrower table. So we want to select sum function. So sum of loan amount from borrower table. So if we calculate, if the borrow table, if we add these four values, it will be considered as 3,99,000. The second question, find the total deposit done by depositor. So we want to go to the depositor table and want to add all the amounts. In this, select sum of amount from the deposit table. So it will be add all the amount in the deposit table, and it is displays the values. The third question, list the total loan taken by the Andheri branch. So in this Andheri branch, if want to select some of the loan amount, want to add that Andheri branch amounts from borrow table. In borrow table, where branch name equal to Andheri. If the branch name is equal to Andheri, it will be adding the amount as loan amount. So it will be displaying as a function and display the output as 2,16,000. This fourth question, write a query to find the total deposit of the customer having account date later than 1st Jan 96. This select sum of the amount from the deposit table where date is greater than 1st Jan 96. So it will be adding the amount after the date 1 Jan 96. It will be displayed as an 1,90,000. And this fifth question, find the average of the deposit of the customer living in the city Nagpur. So this first you want to select the deposit table. In that you want to give an average function to take the average of the amount, where the C name you want to give this into the sub query. So we want to select from the C name, select C name from the customer table where city is equal to Nagpur. So we will access the two tables in one query. So it is giving us an average amount as 85,000. The sixth one, this the maximum deposit of the customer having living in Bombay. This select maximum amount from the deposit table, where C name in we want to give the subquery, select customer name from the customer table where city equal to Bombay. So it will be giving a maximum amount 1,75,000. The seventh question, how many distinct branch cities are there in the branch table? So we want to select count the distinct city from the branch table. If we give distinct means it will be combine the two cities in the same name. So it will if we see in this branch table, it will be showing as an 4, so it's not there in same state. In this we want to find the total number of customer cities, eighth one. In this, select count distinct city from the customer table. In this customer table, we are having same as in Bombay. So it's all combined one. After that, Nagpur, Surat and Bombay, the three cities are there. So it's displaying less count distinct cities. And this ninth question, write a query to display the branch name and the branch wise deposit. So we want to give a branch name and the branch wise deposit. So we want to select the branch name and the sum of the amount from the deposit table and group by the branch name. It will be grouped by branch name. If we if the same if the same branch name is there, it will be adding with each other and it will be displayed as an branch name and the sum of the amount. This 10th question, give the branch wise deposit of the customer after account date 1 Jan 96. This select the branch name and sum of the amount and a date from the deposit table, and you want to group by the branch name and a date having a date is greater than 1 Jan 96. So it will be displaying as in branch name sum of the amount a date and they read 1,90,000 and 31 March 26. And the 11th question, find the total number of borrowers in each branch. Select branch name and count the C name, customer name from the borrower table. Group by branch name. It will be grouped by branch name. How many persons were taking the account in this branches? There are 1 and Powai 1 and Andheri 2. This 12th question, find total count of depositor branch wise. This will be a borrower account wise, it will be a branch wise. So you want to select branch name and count this customer name from deposit table group by the branch name. So it is Virar is in 1 and Nagpur 1. In Andheri there is 3% and the Nagpur place there will be 1%. And in this 13th, write the query to find the maximum loan from the branch Virar. So we want to give select maximum loan amount from the borrower table where branch name is equal to Vihar. So it is displaying as a max 1,08,000. And this 14th question, list the branches having sum of the deposit more than 45,000. Select branch name and sum of the amount from the deposit table and group by branch name having sum of the amount is greater than 45,000. So it will be displaying all the amounts for this question. And this 15th question, calculate the length of the string dbms from the duet table. This first we want to create a table dual name varchar and the table creator and into dual values dbms there will be. So we want to select length of the name and from the dual table. So it will be showing as an 4 dbms. The 16th one, display the name of the customer in the uppercase. So we want to give the upper function, select upper customer name from the customer table. So it's displaying all the customer name in an uppercase. In 17th question, display the substring of nil from Sunil from the deposit table. So we are giving that select substring of Sunil from 3 to 3 from the range from the deposit underscore 3067. In this 18th question, you want to update the deposit table prefix account number. You want to add the prefix of the account numbers 00 in the deposit table. So you want to update deposit table, set account to concatenate function 00 comma account number. So it will be displaying as an 0010600107001008001000090010 00201. So it is added and the 6 rows will be selected. This 19th question, sort the deposit table based on the account number. So we want to give an ordered function. Select star from deposit table ordered by account number. So it's ordered by an account number. It already we having an account number in an ascending order. If you want to descending, you want to use the descending functions. In this 20th question, find the total number of months since the account is opened by the customer. Select CNAME month between system date and a date from the deposit table. So it's showing all the months between a system date and the date. In this, use the round off function, trunc function, to round off the truncate value of 15.6789 to decimal position after the decimal point using dual table. This we are using the round function and trunc function. This round 15.67 will be round off, and 15.68 it's coming. In this trunc it will be go back after 15.67. It's displaying in the same manner, each round off from the dual. This all the outputs are have been run. The queries were run successfully. All the aggregate and built-in functions have been queried successfully. Okay, thank you.